Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, we are going to see the form validation for the login design. I kept the username of with at least 4 characters. If I enter only 2 characters, I will get the error. Must at least 4 characters. Now my cursor is in the password field, but without entering password, I am going to the username again. So I get the please enter the password. And after 4 characters, it will be gone. And when I enter only less than 8 characters, then I will get this. It is removed. When I click on the login, I will get the toast as login success message. So we will design all these validation for that login page. Let's see. So in the previous tutorial already we designed the login page. Please see the link in the description as I mentioned for the login design. So before going to write all the validation code, we have to install the formik app and toast which we are using now. So you can see this. It contains the change handle submit on blur touched, all these fields present in the formik. So we'll copy this one. And this formik contains the handle change. It handles all the form required fields, and for validation which for minimum characters and maximum characters, all the required content which we want to restrict the form with the help of yup. You can see here name, age, email and website. As now we are using the username and password with of minimum characters of 6 and 4 as we required, as we want how many characters should be required. And for the login success message we are displaying in the toast, so we have to install the react toast. And for the toast we have to import the css also. And the container. So we are using the formik, so we have to import it. When I click here, I want to display the toast. So we'll see. I'm getting login success. Now we will do the formik. So we already initialize our initial values and we will call here, and as we wanted required, minimum required and maximum required, so we will do the validation first. I'm taking one folder. As I taken the username and password in the string format, and username with the 4 minimum characters and password with a minimum of 6 characters. When we enter the less than 6 or less than 4, it will display the please enter the username and please enter the password. If we not enter anything, because if we doesn't enter the 4 characters of minimum, it will display minimum at least of 4 characters and required. So if it doesn't enter anything in that field, it will display please enter the username and please enter the password. So we will import this in the login page. So in the validation schema is present in the formik. Now we'll apply all those handling functions in our input fields. So value, when we change anything, so it will be updated in the values which is present in the use formik. And handle change which is performed by the formik on change functionality. And on blur, when we doesn't entering anything and the changes has been changed, that to be applied in the errors with the help of on blur, we are moving the cursor from those fields and we want to display the errors. And we moving the cursor after touching that field. And I will, if we matched complete authentication of with at least of 4 characters and 6 characters, and we are completed the content completely in that fields, at that time there is no error, it's to be null, and we want to display in a clean manner. And I want to see those values. Okay, we'll see the output once. So I doesn't enter anything and I moved the cursor from here. So here I entered only 3 characters. So at least 4 characters it is asking. So it is gone. Now I am entering only 6 characters it should be, but it is having only 5. It's gone. When I click on login, it's showing login success. So this is how we will validate using of formik and yep and toast with the to display the login success. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. It will give the notifications when I upload the new videos.